Hey guys, thank you for checking out my channel. Today I want to show you a new set of sockets that I picked up from a company called TEKTON. Now I had just discovered this company not that long ago, actually on YouTube, and I just wanted to share with you my first purchase. I ended up picking up a 19-piece 3/8 drive socket set, shallow, in metric, 6 to 24 millimeter, no skips, so all the way through 6 to 24, doesn't skip any sizes. That came to $40, and with any purchase you get a free rail. There you go, a free socket rail label, and then of course I had to pick up a TEKTON sticker because true fact, the more stickers you have, the better mechanic you are. So I wanted to kind of do an unboxing video here and just give you my first impressions of the company, of their product. The company themselves, they're based in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And so the way it breaks down is these are made in Taiwan. Some of their stuff, most of their stuff is made in Taiwan, some here in the US, and a real small amount in China. To me, I know that's a big point for a lot of people, for some people. For me, it's not that big of a deal where a product is made, because this still is an American company, you know, supporting American jobs, and you know, all the you know, along the way, the shipping and everything, you know, that still supports American jobs. So I don't really hold that big of an issue with where something is manufactured, as long as, you know, you're still supporting, you know, American jobs somewhere along the lines. I don't get too caught up on where something is manufactured. If that's a big deal for you, you know, then you can stick with just what's made in here in America, and you know, I can't fault you for that. But for me, it's not a big deal. I mean, you know, my profession, my shop, we focus on import vehicles, specifically Germans. So you know, there's a foreign you know, made product that has supported me and my family for 15 years now. So you know, again, I don't get too caught up on that. But if you do, that's totally cool. That's your choice. And yeah, like I said, you can just stick with their USA made stuff, which is about a quarter of their stuff here is made in the US. So anything, if you go to their website, you can see any of their where all of their products are manufactured. If you scroll down to the specs section, for every single tool, they will tell you where it's made. So it's really helpful, and there's tons of information about all their products. They really give you all kinds of information about everything that they sell. So without further ado, here, let's open her up and take a look. Packaged very nicely, so you can see it. I went with the 12 points because everything I have is all 6-point, which is great, but I'm seeing more and more 12-point fasteners coming out on vehicles, and I felt the need to kind of upgrade my kit here, which I haven't done in quite a long time. So, you know, I was looking at all my options, and you know, of course there's the standard snap-on, you know, which is like the go-to for a lot of guys in my profession, but they are pricey. Just a comparison, a 12-piece set, 12-point metric, 8 to 19, so not even the full range here, only 8 to 19 is $213, compared to $40 for this set. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Actually, they don't even call it a lifetime, they call it a forever warranty, something like that. Basically, it doesn't matter where you buy it, who you bought it from, If it breaks, you take a picture of it, you send it over to them on the website, and they send you a replacement. Simple as that. So, you know, again, you know, Snap-on, you're going to have your warranty, but this comes with one as well. So I thought for $40, that's a pretty good bargain. So let's take a look at these sockets. I mean, they seem to be constructed pretty well. These are chrome sockets, so they're not impact rated. That doesn't mean I'm not going to use my impact gun with them, but that's the risk I'm going to take. You can see here, really nice engraving of the sizes, very big. I like that they didn't chrome the inside of the socket. It's a nice feature. But look, good solid detents in there. So all the way down here, this is the 6mm. Again, nice engraving there. So I'm definitely going to be putting these, and then the rail that it comes on is a twist lock style rail. So you twist it counterclockwise to release it, and you push it down there, and then twist again to lock it back in place. So good, decent rail. But yeah, so my first impressions are I'm pretty impressed with them. I think they're a good quality made socket. You know, like I said, I'll be putting them through the paces here. Even I'll use them even on you know, regular hex head bolts. You know, just to see how they do. You know, see if they're going to be prone to rounding off or anything like that. Yeah, if you guys like this, maybe I'll do kind of an extended review on it and see what I think of them after I've used them a bit. But I just wanted to give you a quick kind of show off of maybe you've never heard of this company. I certainly haven't up until recently. So if you're looking to upgrade or add on to your kits, I would definitely check these guys out. I think they're worth a look. They have sockets, ratchets, you know, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. They got screwdrivers. They even have some toolboxes on there. I believe the toolboxes are made in Canada. I haven't seen any in person to see what they look like, but yeah, they got all kinds of stuff: hammers, vices, punches, chisels, clamps, pliers. So definitely worth checking them out. TEKTON.com is their website. And another thing is sign up to be you know, a member of their site. Doesn't cost you anything. All you need is a email address, and that's going to get you free shipping on any purchase, and it's going to earn you 10% kind of TEKTON bucks. You know, for your next purchase, you'll get you know, 10% from what you bought. So I'll get $4 in TEKTON cash that I can use on my next purchase. Like I said, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. It doesn't cost you anything. If you don't do that, if you don't want to give them an email address, I believe the free shipping is for orders of $50 or more. I could be wrong. You know, that may change in the future, but why not just give them an email address and sign up? It's simple as that. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to be trying putting out some interesting stuff that I see at work, and you know, other tools that I come across that I think are interesting. If you wouldn't mind giving me the old all the YouTube standards, you know, the like, the subscribe, and you know, give me a comment. Well, you know, what do you see? What do you want to see me review? And do you guys want to see these in action? And you know, just help me to grow this channel a little bit. But I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.